Hi there, I am Jessica. Welcome to my travel channel.
Today I'm taking you on a walking tour of one of Barcelona's most popular beaches, Nova Icària. This beach is known for its calm waters, lively atmosphere, and stunning views of the city skyline. So let's get ready to explore this beautiful beach in 4 Kelvin Ultra HD camera. Before we start our journey, I want to ask you to hit that like button if you're excited to explore Nova Icària with me today.
If you want to see the hottest video of my walks, subscribe to my Patreon. Link below.
And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of my future travel adventures. As we walk along the promenade, you'll notice how lively and energetic this place is. From beach volleyball to paddleboarding, there's always something going on here. And if you're looking for a bit of relaxation, you can always just sit back and soak up the sun on the pristine white sand. One of the best things about Nova Icària is its convenient location. It's just a short walk from the city center, making it an easy place to get to for a day trip or a quick beach escape. And if you're feeling adventurous, you can even rent a bike and take a ride down the coast. As we continue our walk, we'll pass by several bars and restaurants that line the beach. From fresh seafood to refreshing cocktails, you'll find something to satisfy your taste buds. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of my future travel adventures. Thanks for joining me on this walking tour of Nova Icària in Barcelona. Until next time, keep exploring.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Bye!